Did you know that Brazilian waxing is ranked as more painful than tweezing, but less painful than laser hair removal? But how bad is it really? Stick around. We're giving you the honest truth about Brazilian wax pain. Brazilian waxing is one of the most effective hair removal methods, but it comes with a major fear factor: pain. Many people ask, is it unbearable? How long does the pain last? Does it get easier over time? Let's break it all down. Let's be real. Pain is the #1 reason people hesitate to get a Brazilian wax. The thought of hot wax plus sensitive skin can be intimidating. Some describe it as a quick sting, while others compare it to a sharp snap of a rubber band. But the truth is, not everyone feels the same level of pain. Let's dive into why. How much a Brazilian wax hurts depends on a few key factors. Hair thickness. The thicker the hair, the more sensation you'll feel. But good news, waxing makes hair grow back finer over time. Skin sensitivity. If your skin is naturally reactive, waxing might feel more intense. Timing matters. Waxing right before your period. Bad idea. Your skin is extra sensitive. The esthetician's technique, a skilled professional, knows how to make it quicker and less painful. Let's hear from real people who've experienced it. Woman Vo. The first time was a 7 out of 10 pain level for me, but after a few sessions, it's more like a 3 out of 10. Your wax can help reduce discomfort. Woman Vo. I won't lie. It stings, but it only lasts a second per strip. It's totally worth it for smooth skin. Expert Vo. Expert tip. Exfoliating before your appointment makes hair come out easier and less painfully. Super pain tip. Exfoliate plus hydrate =. Less discomfort on screen text. On screen text. So, yes, there is pain, but there are ways to make it way more manageable. Want to make your waxing session as painless as possible? Try these. Take a pain reliever 30 minutes before waxing. Exfoliate 24 hours before. This removes dead skin, so hair slides out easier. Stay hydrated. Dry skin means more pain. Breathe and relax. Tension makes pain worse. Stick to a schedule. The more you wax, the less painful it becomes. Small changes equal a big difference in pain levels. Once your wax is done, here's what to expect. Slight redness, normal. Fades within a few hours. Small bumps, no worries. Apply aloe vera to soothe irritation. No more hair for 3 to 4 weeks. Yes, please. Aftercare equals smoother results and less irritation. Avoid hot showers for 24 hours and tight clothing that causes friction. So is a Brazilian wax painful? Yes, but only for a few seconds per strip. And guess what? The results last way longer than shaving. Most people say the first time is the hardest, but over time, it becomes easier and less painful. Smooth skin equals worth the moment of discomfort. What's your waxing experience? Drop a comment below. Was it more or less painful than you expected? If this video helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more beauty and self-care tips. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video.